Hi all, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do, I'm so all over the place with this, my Allure Beauty box for April. I never got February's box. I got January's box in February. I never got February's box. March was pretty much all skincare, and I ended up doing like an Instagram story on that. It wasn't, it was just all skincare. This one has more makeup related things in it this time, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox this. So I'm sorry I'm kind of sporadic about the Allure unboxings. I'll try to be better about it. But we're here today. Does that matter? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I've already taken a peek in here and I know what's in here. I've already put down my Dior foundation, my Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I use the Cali Contour palette I used the Cali Contour palette for my blush, highlight, and bronzer today. I didn't do that. Oh well, and I primed my eyes. So this month's box came in this clear plastic bag. So even if I didn't want a sneak peek, opening the box, I was like, oh, look at that. So I'll go through the two products that are not, that we're not gonna test today because, well, you'll see. The first one is the Vita Liberate. I believe that's, I could be butchering that. And they're two, they're self-tanning wipes. So you take the wipes and you self-tan with them. I'll have to try this and get back to you. At least it looks a little bit less messy than like a mousse or definitely the spray. So I'll have to get back to you. And this is supposed to be a really good brand for self-tanner. So yeah, I'll have to test this, on my own, obviously. Tanning is not something you do on camera unless you're really, really careful. But yeah. The other thing is this Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protectant and Heat Protected Cream. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is gonna go in a giveaway. I'm collecting some stuff for a future giveaway. This is gonna go in there. I don't usually blow dry my hair, and if I do, I have something for it. I love Briogeo's products though, but I'm probably not gonna use this, so I'm probably gonna pass this on. No problem. And then there are the 4 items here that we're gonna use today. Usually I like to wash my brushes before I use them, but you know what? We're gonna live on the edge here. This is a Luxie 231 small tapering blending brush, which, ooh, it's soft. I've always wanted a Luxie brushes, so yeah, and yeah, there you go. So, and this is what it looks like. It's just a small blending brush. It looks a lot like the one that I use to like put color in, it looks like the one that I used to like, I did it again, put color right here or like blend things out in the crease. So I'm gonna try that today. We also have a Natasha Denona single eyeshadow in 124 karat bronage. Let me get that up to you and see if you can see that. That's the color right there. And this is the packaging. And the eyeshadow's beautiful. Look how beautiful that eyeshadow is. Oh. So in my Physicians Formula unboxing that I did on Tuesday, this is going to go out on Wednesday, or on Thursday. I'm sorry that it's like 2 unboxings in a row, but you know what? This is what I had and it sounded fun. But this and that, what I got in that Physicians Formula are like my only single eyeshadows like this. I have cream shadows, but but I don't want to lose this because this looks really good. And it's Natasha Denona. Come on now. Some fancy stuff there. Oh, let me swatch it for you. So there is a finger swatch of it. And ooh, look at that. There it is on my hand. Oh, that's pigmented. I barely touched that. That is super pigmented. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Okay, okay. The next thing that came in my box was this Laura Geller waterproof gel eyeliner in Emerald City, which is a green color, in case you couldn't tell by the name. That's what that looks like. Really, really pretty. I don't know how well it's gonna go with the eyeshadow, but we're gonna put them on today anyway. And then the last item I got in my box was the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is it called? Liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. I've heard mixed reviews on these. Some say that they're beautiful and some say that they're incredibly drying. I'm not a really big fan of incredibly drying liquid lipsticks. I've gotten a little bit more into liquid lipsticks lately, but we'll see. It's a nude color. It's a very famous color. This is probably Anastasia Beverly Hills' most famous lip color in Pure Hollywood. Doesn't smell like vanilla or cakey or anything like I thought it was going to. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a really pretty, like, nudie pink. That's a really pretty nudie pink. Okay. Okay. So like I said, I kind of took sneak peeks so I knew what we were getting into. I didn't do my eyebrows. It's okay. We're going to start with the eyeshadow and the brush. So usually, and I think I said this in my last video, I don't usually like shimmer in my crease. But we're just going to go ahead and see if this is going to be a good, like, in the crease and on the lid shade. So I'm just going to take my Lexi brush that we have and my new Natasha Denona eyeshadow here. And super soft. Oh, it's super soft. It's super pretty. Ooh, and there's very little, like, kickback. Like, very little dust when I go like that. So first we're going to work it into the crease. In my last video I put like a bronzer in the crease and I probably should have done that. But like I said, I want to see if this is going to make it a good one and done kind of thing. Especially for the summer. And then I don't think that this brush is really meant for it to go all over the eyelid, but we're gonna try it. I might have to go over it with my finger. I don't know why I do this to myself. Let me grab a mirror. So far away. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Oh wow, that's pretty. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks a lot like the color I got out of that Physicians Formula eyeshadow. Huh. This brush is super soft. I've heard great things about the Lexi brushes. Okay, alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my finger, kind of add a little to the lid, but this is what it's looking like. So let's take my finger and just kind of press it right here. Oh, goodness gracious. Look how much that built up. Yeah. The finger was a good call. I am going to go in with my MAC 224 and I have my Cali contour again. I'm going to take the highlighter color here and just kind of clean up the edges a little bit. But I'm loving this color. It's gorgeous. This is a beautiful lid color. Oh, kitties are talking. Not sure what they're talking about, but they're talking. Ooh, it's pretty. Alright. I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, so there we go. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm very impressed by that color. Which, I mean, let's face it. It's Natasha Denona. Of course I'm impressed by it. Laura Geller is also, like, a really good brand. You can get Laura Geller at Ulta. You can get Laura Geller at Ulta. You can get Natasha Denona at Sephora. And then on their respective, you know, their respective sites as well. So now I'm going to take this Emerald City eyeliner. And like I said, I don't know that it's going to go great with the bronze eye, but whatever. We're going to try it anyway because it came in my box. So I'm going to try it in my waterline first. Try not to pull down too hard on my skin here. Not the most pigmented on the waterline. So let's try it on the lower lash line too. Yeah, it kind of looks a little weird down there with this look, but that's okay. I'm going to take a brush and smudge it out. There we go. Okay. It looks like a dark eyeliner, so that's cool. I probably should put it on the top too, to kind of even it out. Okay, I like it better on the top and the bottom. Like I said, I don't think the green really goes that great with this eyeshadow, but that's okay. It's still a really good creamy eyeshadow or eyeliner, and I think it would go good with another look. But yeah, not bad. All right, I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on mascara, put on my eyebrows, and I'll be right back and we'll show you the lip. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my mascara and my brows. So now we just need to put on the lip stuff. So Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. I like the applicator on it. It's like a flat applicator. Again, it's a little cool tone for this look, but whatever. That's what came in my box, so that's what we're doing. No, it's very nude. It's not really cool or warm toned. It's a My Lips But Better color. Definitely a My Lips But Better color. It's a very nude color. I like it actually a lot. I can already tell though that it is going to be drying, but you know, I don't know. I don't know how long lasting it is. I'll keep it on and maybe do an indication on the bottom. Whether or not I liked it, how long it stayed on, all that jazz. So I really enjoyed this brush. It was so nice and soft. The eyeshadow is gorgeous. The lip gloss the lipstick just fell. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I like the eyeliner. I just don't know that I like the eyeliner with this look. You can kind of tell that it's green. At least I can kind of tell that it's green. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. And I think that with the right eye look, it's gonna look beautiful. That pop of green is always a great idea. Yeah, this is very, it's already drying down and I can tell it's gonna be a very drying formula. Yeah, but oh, this is definitely the star of the show. The eyeliner again is great. I will try these and I will get back to you probably, I don't know when. I don't want to, it says it lasts like 10 days, so I don't want to do it on my vacation. Maybe after I get back or like before my vacation. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, this is going to go in my giveaway pile. So yeah, all in all, I really liked my April box. It was, I think that it's well worth it for $15. I really do. I think the products that you get is well worth it. Yeah, I'll have a link below for the Allure box if you want to give it a try. But that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Like if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.